Thank you very much. And myself, Dr. Seiko Jose, today, along with my team, I would like to present my research finding on investigation of effect of nano-kaolinite as a filler in the coarse wool vinyl ester composites. So my team consists of Dr. Shraddha Maria, Dr. Jessia, Dr. Anjumo, Dr. Professor Sabu Thomas. We are from India, and I'm basically working on sheep wool. There are different breeds of sheep that are available in India and all over the world. So many type of sheep wool that is of no use as a textile material is concerned. There are three types of wool fibers are available. We can classify into three grades. First one is fine wool that can be used for the apparels or textiles. Second one is the medium coarse wool that can be used for the fabrication of carpets and your blankets. And the third one, it is a highly coarse wool that is not utilizing for any good purpose. So my objective is to utilize this type of very highly coarse wool to give a value addition to that one. So I have these are some of the popular sheep breeds in India which is producing highly coarse wool. Now, as I told you, in highly coarse wool, we'll have a microns of more than 40. So this remains underutilized. So my research is to give a value addition to the this particular coarse wool that is otherwise doesn't have any commercial potential. So the one issue with this one, as I told you, the highly coarse wool that is producing 300 to 400 gram per shearing. Okay. Now, since it's highly coarse, even that doesn't get any good price in the market. So the sheep rears are even they are not getting able to get any appreciable price. Okay, so that is the background of my research. So I have taken Patanwadi coarse wool. This is having a typical microns of more than 40, and I made some composites using vinyl ester. Then I have added nano kaolinite as a filler to enhance the mechanical properties of the composites. So this is the materials and method. We have taken nano covalent in different concentration 0.25%, 0.5 and 1%. And the vinyl ester resin we have taken according to 1:3.5 ratio with respect to the fabric, wool fabric. And initially we coated the resin, wool fabric with the resin, and afterwards we compressed in a compression molding or hot press machine at 5 kilogram per centimeter square pressure. Then it was cured at room temperature for 6 hours. So this is a schematic diagram of the process. Initially the vinyl ester resin and nano kaolinite was mixed. Afterwards we have added accelerant and catalyst for curing. We mixed that one, and initially we coated the wool fabric with the resin along with the nano kaolinite. Then compression molding and afterwards the composites were formed, and the composites were further utilized for the characterization. So these are some of the characterizations like tensile strength. We have added elongation, impact, water diffusion, FTR, DMA, SEM, and aging. So coming to the result and discussion, here the W means wool fabric, NK means nano kaolinite, VR means vinyl ester resin. Now we tried 3 different combinations along with the control sample. Here you can see 0.5% in nano kaolinite is giving highest tensile strength, like 16.43 megapascal. Also, the modulus was also found to be higher. It's coming around 1265. So these are the out of 3 different combination like 0.25, 0.5, and 1% of nano kaolinite, which is added to the vinyl ester resin. We found that 0.5% of nano kaolinite is giving the best result. Now coming to the next, this is the stress strain curve of these composites. Here also you can see the blue color, that is the 0.5% is having the highest stress ability to withstand the force. This is the FTR analysis of all these composites. So here we found that there is no chemical bond formation in between the resin and the wool fiber, because the resin obviously it is hydrophobic in nature and the wool fiber is hydrophilic in nature. So there is no scope for making a chemical interaction. In fact, it is a physical adhesion. That is the reason behind the strength of the composites. Now, I have also analyzed the water diffusion properties. So here you can see the least water diffusion was found with the neat composites without adding any nano coordinate. And as the nano coordinate concentration is increased, the water diffusion is also showing a positive trend. Then again, this is the dynamic mechanical analysis, which indicates the viscoelastic properties of wool wear composites. So here the storage modulus was found to be highest in 0.5% of addition of nano coordinate. Loss modulus also were found to be highest. Accordingly, the tan delta also found to be the highest in in wool vinyl ester composite, having a composition of 0.5% now kaolinite. So this is the respective graph of loss modulus and tan delta. This is the SCM images. You can see in the A, B, C, this is the surface fracture morphology. You can see in the C, there is a debonding is observed, debonding of the fiber with the matrix. And in D, D and E, it shows the fiber pullout during the mechanical stretching. And F shows the tiny nanoparticles scattered inside the matrix. So we also check the biodegradation due to soil degradation, how much weight is getting lost during soil degradation test. So we made a accelerated soil degradation culture, and we buried the samples. And after 120 days, we have taken the samples out and we took the weight of the composites again. Now we find that the biodegradation is very minimal, even though the wool fiber is highly biodegradable in nature and it is a natural fiber, but the thick coating of vinyl ester resin that is preventing the attack of microbes. As a result, we are getting very minimal quantity, a minimal amount of biodegradation. Weight loss is very minimal. It's maximum it is 2.4% only. So coming to the accelerated thermal and UV aging, we have checked the strength of the composite after aging. So we have performed thermal aging and UV aging. So we found that the after thermal and UV aging, the strength of the composite was found to be reduced. And this is one of the product we made using this one. This is a tea coaster made from wool vinyl ester composites. Here the wool resin ratio is around 40 to 60. So coming to the conclusion, we made biocomposites from coarse wool and vinyl ester resin. Inside that one, we added nano coordinate as a filler to enhance the mechanical properties. Out of 3 combinations of nano coordinate we added, the 0.5% of nano coordinate is showing the best result in terms of tensile strength. And aging qualities related to accelerated temperature and UV aging was found to be higher with the addition of nano coordinate in comparison with the knit composite. Now the weight loss that doesn't show any difference irrespective of the addition of nano coordinate. We developed some products as well, and we found that this particular material of coarse wool vinyl ester that can be found applications in insulation panel, because wool, coarse wool, especially the coarse wool, is very fit for making acoustic panel and thermal insulation panels. So this type of biocomposites could find applications in the production of insulation panels. So that's about my presentation, and I am thanking the organizers for giving me an opportunity to present my research work. Thank you.